digital workbook for $1. I sell it for $1, sells any country in the world. And this book is a great book. It goes over different ways you can make money online, called Work at Home Secrets. But what's great about it is there is a free trial. There's a 30-day free trial for everybody who just spends $1 to buy this. Way I'm looking to change the world. There's a revolution going on right now, folks. And it's people working at home. Companies don't want to hire people in offices anymore. People are moving out of the cities. We got to help lead the revolution, and I want to be at the forefront of things. They'll be very willing to spend $1 in order to learn more ways to make more money. For instance, on page number 34, I share with folks a little over a dozen websites of where they can earn as much as $50 an hour working online. People are willing to spend $1 to learn that. Furthermore, there are workbook questions in each chapter, just like a school textbook. Learn and really ingrain the knowledge in their head. This is built like a school textbook. It's built to help people retain knowledge because working at home is a whole new thing not taught in school.